Now, Prime Minister Modi concluded his two-day official visit to the UK on Thursday. Modi extended an invitation to Prime Minister Keir Starmer to visit India, which he has accepted. Now, in the second leg of his four-day two-nation tour, Prime Minister Modi embarked on a two-day state visit to Maldives on Friday, and this is at the invitation of President Mohammad Muizzu. Now, Prime Minister Modi will attend the Maldives' 68th Independence Day celebration in capital of the country on Saturday. Remember, viewers, Modi is the first foreign head of state to be hosted by President Muizzu. Now, Modi's presence will mark a major turnaround in ties between the two countries. He will be inaugurating developmental projects funded by India in the country. Further, the Indian government had extended crucial financial support by rolling over about $50 million treasury bill for another year to Maldives. Now, Prime Minister Modi will also hold bilateral talks with President Muizzu, which will include national security concerns, specifically in the Indian Ocean region. Now, remember, viewers, India continues to assist Maldives by training its defense personnel, as the two sides have also robust defense and security cooperation, including naval exercises. Prime Minister Modi has concluded his visit to the United Kingdom and now is all set to begin his second leg of the two-nation tour with a visit to Maldives. Now, this is at the invitation of President Mohammad Muizzu, and the visit is a crucial one as it's going to reset the ties between the two countries. He's going to attend Maldives' 68th Independence Day celebrations in the capital. And remember, he's the first foreign head of state to be hosted by President Muizzu. He will also inaugurate several developmental projects in the country. And this comes after India extended crucial financial support by rolling over $50 million treasury bill for another year to Maldives. There are also going to be bilateral talks held between the two leaders, where national security concerns will take center stage, specifically in the Indian Ocean region. Remember, India continues to assist Maldives by training its defense personnel, as the two sides also share a robust defense and security ties. He was given a very warm welcome in UK by the Indian diaspora. Visuals on your screen showing you that. And now he's all set to begin the second leg of his two-nation tour with a visit to Maldives.